Hello to all, I'm Aditya Bharti. In this video, I'll show how to wrap text in any shape in Illustrator. So let's jump start into it. These are the texts I'll be working with. You'll soon know why I've separated the spellings. I'll suggest to first give your text the color of your choice to make things easier ahead. Let's start by making a circle. Make 2 copies of it. Select your shape, press Alt and drag. Let's work with the first circle. Place the text on the circle and remember to place the text behind your shape. Now select the circle and go to knife tool and cut the circle. Select your first shape and your above text and go to Object, Envelope Distort and select Make with Top Object. Now do the same for the below text. And repeat the whole process for the remaining circles. Now place them the way you want it to be. For the cone, let's make a triangle. Place your text and change the orientation to vertical. Let's reduce the spaces between the letters. Go to Characters and reduce the space from here. Again, Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Top Object. Now let's make the last shape for drip text. same process. And it's done. Hope you like this simple tutorials. Stay connected for more such videos.